Ever needed cash at Tesco, but left your debit card at home? NatWest Cash Code has your back. First, open your NatWest mobile banking app. Make sure you're logged in securely. Tap on Cash Code or Withdraw Cash and select the amount of cash you want to withdraw. You'll then need to select the Tesco store where you'll be picking up your cash. Once you confirm these details, the app will generate a unique 6-digit cash code. This code is your key to unlocking your cash, so keep it safe and don't share it. Now, head to your chosen Tesco store and find the ATM. Look for the prompt on the ATM screen that says withdrawal without card or similar. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to enter your 6-digit cash code first. After entering your cash code, the ATM will ask you to enter a separate 4-digit confirmation code. This is also displayed in your NatWest app alongside your cash code. Enter that confirmation code, and voila, the ATM will dispense your cash. You've successfully withdrawn money without needing your debit card. It's that simple. Enjoy the convenience of accessing your funds anytime at Tesco with NatWest Cash Code.